Oh, follow-up video. Okay, alright. Was not getting any communication, so it's raining, so I can't do what I want to do. Alright, so now I'm gonna scan one more time. Yes, so now I'm getting communication. I'm gonna read my VIN. Okay, so in the previous video before I go on, because this truck have a bunch of blown fuse, I think it was from a bad power surge or something, blowing out some fuse, because it blew the fuse for the data link connector, and there's some fuse for the O2 sensor, spark advance, for the spark ignition coils and stuff. So let me see what's going on right here now. At first I have, before I even change the fuse, I have like 20 something codes. So let me see what I have now. So before I have 10 on power chain, and I have 3 on anti-lock, and I have 1 on supplementation, whatever that is. So now I have inflatable restraint. Okay, so that would be my my SRS system. So with these older vehicles, sometimes maybe the seatbelt can stuck, and whatever it is. So I wouldn't even worry about that till I look into it. And I have one in my body control module, so that can be of anything. The body control module can be simple as a light circuit. Let me see. I'm gonna close this door and then I see. I'm gonna check it just to make sure. Okay, so now I have, let me focus on this one right here. Since it's just a simple for the code, let me have treble code, and I'm gonna have read. Okay, so it said passenger compartment dimmer circuit 1. So yeah, that can be something in the cargo, so I don't really worry about that because that's just a light. And let me go to the restraint, and I'm gonna do trouble code. I'm gonna read my code. I'm gonna see exactly what it is. Okay, it said active switch, voltage out of range. So yeah, that can be from those fuses being blown. Alright, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna erase the code, see what it does. I'm gonna hit yes, code successfully erased. I'm gonna go back here. I'm gonna go to trouble code. I'm gonna read it one more time just to make sure the fault was erased. I'm gonna go to current. Okay, the code still remains, so we know that we need a switch. The voltage is out of range, so that means it's open. Alright, so we escape that. And I'm gonna go back here. I'm gonna come here into my check engine. I'm gonna go here, okay. And I'm gonna hit special function because I'm not gonna just go into this. I wanna make sure, okay. Alright, I've completed, so let me start it. Alright, let me hit programming complete. Okay, escape. I'm gonna go back one more time. We're gonna go here. I'm gonna special function. I'm gonna check for, I don't think this needs a crank. Let me do a cylinder power balance and see. Apply, yes, all of those are done. Okay, so my engine speed, okay, it's working fine. Okay, my masters, yeah, working fine. Anything between 5.1, 5.6. 6 a little bit high, to be honest. You burning rich if you're on idle, and if you're at 6, so once you release the child, it's supposed to come down in 5. My child position sensor was 0 because my child is not pressed. So I'm gonna press it. Now it's open, so it's reading fine. My map is reading fine. Okay. Okay, let me look at my barometric pressure. Okay, that's good. Stabilize at 100. O2 sensor. Bank 1 sensor 1. That's voltage. Voltage I. Yeah. Yeah, it's showing me that right now my bank 1 the O2 sensor is reading a little bit high, and my they're reading high. So I think I have a bad O2 sensor, and let me see. Okay, so my bank 1 sensor 2 is reading a little bit on the low side, so I think I need an O2 sensor there. So I'm gonna go back to my engine. I'm gonna check just to see. Okay, let me get out of here. I don't want to do any check right here, so I'm gonna go in trouble code one more time. I'm gonna read it. I'm gonna check just to see my O2 sensor, just to make sure my analysis was correct. My scan tool is showing me the right thing. Okay, so we're gonna go in current codes, because there we go. Yeah, this the computer is working perfect. Yeah, working perfect. So I need some O2 sensors. I only need these are repeat codes, so I need sensor bank 1 sensor 1 and bank 2 sensor 1. So we need both upstream sensor, because these are repeated. It's gonna keep repeating itself and come in different form until we change them, because the computer look at the reading at high and low range. So these are looking in the ranges: common, uncommon, child open, child close. So that's why I throw a different number of code, but they all mean the same thing. So stay tuned for our next video. When I fix it, I'm gonna do a next video to get it over with, and then we'll be out of here. Thanks. Love, like, and subscribe.